That's right, that's over $22 million that this channel made doing something that takes only 3 hours. I'm gonna show you how I've created this entire cartoon using just one simple prompt. And the best thing is that these kind of cartoons make a ton of money online. Here are just some of the examples of the earnings of the cartoon channels. And I'm gonna show you guys an awesome new tool that creates all sorts of stories. You literally just need to type in one simple prompt and it will create all types of animated stories and cartoons and movies for you. Adventure movies, horror tales, kids cartoons, and much more. And the coolest thing is that it also keeps consistent characters for you, which is extremely hard to do with most of the current tools. The tool that I'm going to show you how to use today is called Magic Light. It is a brand new tool. You can start for free. The link is just in the description below, so go and sign up to it so that you can start making the videos together with me. And the most awesome thing that I really enjoy about this tool is that you can easily create up to 30-minute videos, so you can create full movies. It's not just a single scene that it will create for you. Once you're logged in, you will see this interface and everything is laid out really nice and neatly. You can take a look at some of the examples of the animated movies that have been produced from this tool. You can also create AI characters or AI videos, and we're going to start by clicking Create AI Video. So go ahead and click Create AI Video. All right, now from here, you can choose the aspect ratio of the project that you'd like to create. Let's go with landscape because we're trying to make a movie style or video. And next, let's take a look here. You've got two options: generate from prompt and use my content. So if you already have a script, you can type in your own script or copy and paste your own script here into this box, or you can generate your whole movie from just one prompt. Next, let's go over to ChatGPT and let's insert this prompt. I'm just going to scroll through the prompt here so that you can see exactly what I've inserted into the prompt. And I'm asking it basically to generate a script for a kid's adventure story. You can rewind and you can pause if you want to get the whole prompt. Let's click enter and we will now get a script for our story. Once you've got the script, go over to Magic Light and go into the tab Generate from Prompt and paste your script in there. Then select your video language. I'm going to choose English, but you've got support for multiple different languages. And after that, you can choose the style for your animated story. There are lots of different styles, including cyberpunk and anime, comic, Zootopia. I'm going to choose the Disney 3.0 for our story. Now we're ready to click AI Generate, so just go ahead and click this button over here. And there we go. Now Magic Light AI has broken this script down into 23 shots. So that's basically going to be all the scenes in this movie, and you can go through and you can edit each of these scenes. And if you don't like anything, you can of course just overwrite it and create your own version of each of these scenes. All right, so now that this is done, let's click next. And here we've got the casting page where basically you can auto detect characters or you can create your own characters. And this feature is awesome because it lets you create characters that are going to be consistent throughout the story. You may have tried to use some AI solutions where the character changes from scene to scene. Magic Light AI character creation feature actually allows you to create and keep consistent characters. So let's go and click edit character for Chase. So it says male, child. And here you can choose any of these pre-made, pre-generated characters, or you can create your own character from scratch if you would like. There are a lot of options and you can really create the character that you want. But for the purposes of our video today, I'm going to choose one of the pre-made characters. So I'm going to use this character here. And once you're happy with everything, just click confirm at the bottom of the page. Now let's do the same thing for Karina, who is our female child character. And we can maybe use this one. So let's go ahead with this and let's click confirm. All right, now that we've got all of our characters set up, let's click next. And now you'll see that we're generating our storyboard. All right, and here we go. Would you take a look at this? This is insane. You've now got the whole storyboard. So you can see here, I can switch between the scenes in our story. And then we've got the narrator voice. So the narrator is going to be saying this, what is said here. And you've also got the actual prompt. So kind of like a description of what is actually happening in this video. So you can go through one by one. Notice here that you've got these two characters wearing the same clothes and glasses, and looking exactly the same in every single scene that we're looking at. So this is something that is making this solution unique because, of course, it's very, very hard normally to get the consistent characters in your movies that are AI driven. Once you're happy with everything, you can go ahead and click animate to animate your scenes. Out of these, choose whichever option you would like to go ahead with. I'm going to choose Animate Pro. If you see this prompt, you can simply click AI Enhance so that AI will automatically shrink your necessary text down to 40 characters. You can see AI has now shortened our text here to 40 characters. And we can basically go ahead and do the rest with each of the scenes. There we go. Our scenes are all being animated. The first one has finished. So let's just give this a quick preview. It looks awesome. Take a look at the detail and how good this is. I mean, this is exactly what you would want your scene to look like. If for some reason you're not completely happy, you can go ahead and regenerate for free so that you get a new version of the same scene. Here we can preview one of the next scenes. So here they are beginning their adventures. And this is the scene of them venturing out into the forest. Also is looking really, really cool. Now you can go ahead and choose the voiceover options for each of the scenes. Here you can choose who the speaker is. Is it the voiceover or do you actually want Chase or Karina to speak? So in this scene, we'll want a narrator to tell us what is actually going on. So we can say Chase holds an old treasure map. So here for the voice, let's choose the voice that you like the most. You can preview all of them. Out of all these voices, I actually like Richard the most.
Chase holds an old treasure map.
So that was pretty good. Hopefully you could hear it. So go and just review all these options for each of the scenes. Make sure that you're happy with the voice over and what the voiceover is going to say. From here, we're now ready to generate our actual cartoon. So let's click next. You've got a few more options here on the next page. For example, you can choose to add a title to the movie, or you can just go for no title. You can also choose to add some subtitles here at the bottom. So if you want to have subtitles, then Magic Light can create them automatically for you. And you can also add background music if you would like. So you can go through and choose which background music you'd want. Once you're happy with everything, let's go ahead and click generate again. You can choose between 16:9 or 4:3. I'm going to go with a widescreen format, 16:9, and let's click OK. The video is now generating, and once it's done, I'm going to play you the full preview. So guys, the video is ready. I'm gonna preview this for you guys now.
Chase holds an old treasure map. Chase told his friend Karina about the map. They decided to find the treasure. They ventured into the whispering woods. Sunlight was shimmering in between the trees. A golden leaf glowed, hanging high.
So this was actually really, really good, and I've just stopped it. I don't want to play the whole thing for you guys, but you can of course see how we've got consistent characters all throughout the movie with consistent clothes. So that's really, really awesome. Now, if you guys want to learn how to turn your AI video skills into $500 to $1,000 a day, how I personally do this, you can go to fastervideos.com, enter your email, and you can get access to my training course where I'm showing you how I'm getting tons of views and making money using AI content. So go to fastervideos.com.